Chavesbao. Extensive facilities, high technical equipment and qualified personnel that is committed to its customers is what makes Chavesbao a leading company in bolts and screws in Europe. This is the result of the meticulous work we do day in and day out. Every detail counts, and we know it. Chavesbao, experts in screws and bolts. Chavesbao is located in a privileged place. We're just 15 km from Bilbao in northern Spain. Our strategic geographic location, near the port of Bilbao, the airport, and with a large communications network, enables us to easily ship items to our customers by land, sea and air. Chavesbao, always close by. Backed by more than 4 decades of experience in the sector and with a great international vision, Chavesbao is the #1 company in Spain in its sector and a benchmark in Europe in industrial screws, bolts and fasteners. Our facilities are 20,000 square meters and have the capacity of housing more than 30,000 pallets. Our logistics capacity enables us to be a leading company in stock, and we are constantly expanding the range of our products. The close links that we maintain with our suppliers ensure us the highest quality at the lowest price. Our company is expert in international markets, which enables us to provide our customers with solutions that fit their needs. In our catalogue, we have a wide range of industrial bolts, screws and fasteners with different qualities and surface coatings. Adhering to international standards, ISO, EN and DIN, our technical department conducts highly demanding and meticulous tests. At Chavesbao, strict quality controls and organisation result in an efficient work method which leads to complete customer satisfaction. This hard work is backed up by the ISO 9001 certificate that certifies the quality management system. The principles of our work ethic are geared toward the quality of our processes, looking to the future and customer care. Chavesbao, ready to satisfy you. Chavesbao brings it all together with a staff that is focused on customer service. We work for and to you. We motivate, include and involve our staff, instilling company values in each member so that they can meet the goal of maintaining a high standard. We constantly update our knowledge through ongoing training, providing all the necessary tools to do so. We train qualified professional teams that are committed to customer care in order to provide personalised service and advising, giving you quality solutions when it comes to fasteners. Chavesbao, faithful to commitment. The growing demand of a market that is more and more competitive, that requires quicker, more agile deliveries, combined with our desire to improve and our goal to continue being a leader, are all things that drive Chavesbao to invest in an innovative automated storage system. This intelligent warehouse system is 18 meters high and 100 meters long. It has, in its first phase, more than 12,000 Euro pallets and up to 72,000 trays. The automated system provides for greater control and updating of stocks, organises the products according to rotation, speeds up pickups and shipments, and enables us to prepare small and large volume orders. This operating procedure saves us a lot of preparation time, which means fast, efficient delivery and restocking. Chavesbao, leader in logistics. Thanks to the confidence that you and your company have vested in us, we continue to grow here and abroad, taking on new challenges. Your loyalty enables us to invest in modern equipment and qualified staff, which helps make our collaboration ties closer, providing high-quality service and flexibility. We want to continue growing with you. Chavesbao, fastening the future.